नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn more about Giles-Nelson's staining. The principle for Giles-Nelson method of acid-fast staining. It is a type of acid-fast staining which is mycobacteria which do not stain well by Gram stain are stained with carbol fusion combined with phenol. In the hot Giles-Nelson technique, the phenol-carbol fusion stain is heated to enable the dye to penetrate the waxy mycobacterial cell wall. In the cold technique known as Quignon's method, stains are not heated, but the penetration is achieved by increasing concentration of basic fusion and phenol and incorporating a wetting agent chemical. Sample collection and preparation. Due to overnight accumulation of secretions, first morning specimens are most likely to yield better recovery for acid-fast bacilli. Direct smear. Smear prepared directly from a patient's specimen prior to processing. Indirect smear. Smear prepared from a processed specimen after centrifugation is used for concentrate the material. Reagents required: carbol fusion stains, filtered, acid alcohol 3% volume by volume or 20% sulfuric acid, malachite grain 5 gram per liter, 0.5 weight per volume, and methylene blue 5 gram per liter. Giles-Nelson acid-fast staining procedure. Spread the sputum evenly over the central area of the slide using a continuous rotational method movements. The recommended size of the smear is about 20 mm by 10 mm. Place slide on dryer with smear surface upward and air dry for about 30 minutes. Heat fix dried smear. Cover the smear with carbol fusion stain. Heat the smear until vapor just begin to rise, that is about 60 degrees Celsius. Do not overheat, boil or dry. Add additional stain if necessary. Allow the heated stain to remain on the slide for about 5 minutes. Wash off the stain with clean water. Cover the smear with 3% volume by volume acid alcohol for 2 to 5 minutes or until the smear is sufficiently decolorized, that is pale pink. Check to see that no more red color runs off the surface. When the slide is tipped, add a bit more decolorizer for every thick slide or those that continue to bleed red dye. Wash well with clean water. Cover the stain with malachite green stain for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash off stain with clean water. Wipe the back of the slide clean and place it in a draining rack for smear to air dry and do not mold dry it. Examine the smear microscopically using the 100x oil emulsion objective, 10x eyepiece for total of 100x magnifying caution, and scan the smear symmetrically. Now results for acid fast staining. Carbon fusion with heat, acid fast, red color. Non-acid fast, red color. Acid alcohol, red color. Non-acid fast will provide colorless. And methylene blue and malachite green will acid fast prevent red color and non-acid fast will prevent blue or green color. Now List of acid-fast organisms other than mycobacteria: Nocardia, partially acid-fast; Rhodococcus, partially acid-fast; Legionella, partially acid-fast in tissues; cyst of Cryptosporidium, that is acid-fast; and cyst of Isospora, that is acid-fast. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.